Hello dear students, now we are going to learn the construction of a triangle when two angles and the included side is given using ASA criterion. We have already learned how to construct a triangle using SSS criterion and SAS criterion. Let us see an example for ASA criterion. Triangle ABC, we have to draw AB is equal to 5 cm, angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 75 degree. We have to use compasses and scale for construction. Here we are using protractor for measuring the angle. But you know how to construct angle 60 degree and angle 75 degree using the pair of compasses. Now I'll show you using the protractor. So the first step is we have to construct the base. That is, construct a line segment AB which is having a measure of 5 cm. So using the scale and pencil we will be drawing a line segment AB and we have to mark it as A. Mark the point A and B and we have to write the measurement as 5 cm. So the first step we are finished. And the first step is we have to construct the line segment, that is the base. Okay, only one side is given, so we have to draw that side with the help of ruler. Now AB is the included side because we know that angle A and angle B are given and the side AB is given. So you understood that AB is the included side and angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 75 degree. So first we have to take the protractor and keep the protractor center at A and measure the angle 60 degree. So which angle you will measure? Inner angle or outer angle of the protractor? Here you can see that the line segment is towards the right. So from the right you have to take the 0. So from the right 0 is starting in inner angle. So we have to take the inner angle when we are keeping the pointer at A here. Okay, 60 degree we have to mark the point. Then we have to draw the line. Okay, so mark the point and take your ruler and you have to draw the line segment from A to that point. Okay, you can just elongate the line. Then the next step you have to take the protractor again and keep the protractor center at B. Okay, you have to keep the protractor in the proper way and measure 75 degree. So in this case you will be measuring the outer angle. Why? Because the base is towards the left of the protractor. So the left 0 starts from outer angle. So we have to take the outer angle and mark the point 75 degree. Okay, don't take the inner angle, you have to take the outer angle in this case. Hope you understood. And mark the point 75 degree. Okay, that you have to be more careful. Then mark the point, then elongate the line. Okay, so you have to join the line from B and you can extend the line. Okay, you have to keep the scale and you have to join that point with B and you can just elongate the line so that it should touch the line which you already draw. Then you will get a meeting point and that meeting point is the vertex C or the point C. You have to mark it as the point C. Okay, so this is the construction. You have completed the construction. We have to mark the point C and also we have to mark the angles. What are the angles? Angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 75 degree and also we have already written the measurement of AB which is equal to 5 cm. So we have completed using the protractor and scale how to construct the triangle. Okay, you can try with compasses also. Thank you dear children.